you think you're doing in there? Archer, you're not supposed to be in there, are you? Are you? Nope.
Nope. Nope.
Okay, so what are you going to do? Are you going to get out of August's bed?
Nope.
Oh? You're just going to hang out?
No. Baby.
Yeah, you're hanging out with a baby. I think maybe you should get out of his bed now. He seems pretty happy to see you, though. He's not going anywhere. He's too comfortable.